welcome to the NetBeans News. I'm your host, Sheri. Today, I have Gregory Murphy here with me. Gregory will give a short description about his Ruby demo. Ruby is getting well known in the US, and I notice everybody is talking about Ruby for reasons such as only one line in Ruby to write a function to read a file, developing a blog in less than 10 minutes. Gregory, I'm amazed when I saw how you used NetBeans Ruby on Rails to create a blog in only 99 seconds. Can you tell us something about this experience and your Ruby demo?
Sure. Well, I'm a Java developer, and I was new to Ruby on Rails. And I must say that Rails makes web application development quite a lot easier. But that said, NetBeans made Ruby development all the more easier. A couple of things that the IDE brings to the Ruby developer. First of all, you have an editor with features like code completion, syntax highlighting, and this makes the editing process a lot easier. But it was especially important during the development process for debugging. NetBeans has an integrated Ruby debugger. It allows you to set breakpoints in the editor and follow your code through as it's being executed. You can see the value of local variables, you can look at your call stack. It's the kind of development experience that Java developers take for granted, but is a little new to the Ruby world. So with those two tools, Ruby and NetBeans, I found web application development to be a snap. And yes, you can do a simple weblog in about 60 seconds.
Great. Wow. Well, thank you, Gregory, for sharing your experience with us. Gregory, I'm sold. I think I'm going to trade my Ruby for the NetBeans Ruby.
I'm screwed up. Well, it's free, so. Oh, excellent. I can keep both then. But the camera won't know. The camera lies. Cut. Is that really a Ruby?
Are you going to zoom in on the Ruby? Can you do some special effects like
Yeah, some sparkles.